Hello friends, today's topic is if x plus 1 by x is equals to 20, then what will be x square plus 1 by x square? So this is the question which we have seen earlier as today's topic. Today we will tell you an algebraic trick. So first we will as it is write down the question as we are writing it down. So after that we will square both the sides and use the balancing method to find it. So we will square both the sides. So we will write x plus 1 by x in bracket whole square. Then we will write is equals to 20 whole square. After that we will use identity, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. In this we will square x, so we will write x square. So we have written x square, then we will write plus 2 into x into 1 by x. So after that we will write 1 by x whole square is equals to 400, like 400 is square of 20. After that we will cut x as it is common. After that we will write x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square. So after that we will write 400 and transpose 2 to the RHS, means near 400. So this will be minus 2. After that the answer will be 898. So this is the answer. So we will write x square plus 1 by x square. This is the correct answer of the question. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like, subscribe and drop a comment.